Hello.
Hey.
How you doing?
I have my seatbelt on.
Oh, okay.
So, she just came from college, Michigan. I pick her up, we leave the airport. You know how it's tight at the end to get out from arrivals.
Okay.
So it's either you go to the exit to the right here, or you go to the left. So I'm trying to go to the left to go to like 595 or whatever. So it's a car here, and then it's black, the Rango here. So we're both these cars are trying to get here. So I'm trying to go over with my signal so this car doesn't hit me. So he speeds up, so none of us can go. All right, I let him go. So now I go this way. He's beeping the horn, laying it on me. So I go this way. He hops in front of me, so I can't go anywhere. So now I'm just driving. I ain't even paying attention to it. And mind you, I carry everywhere I go. This is God. This is God that I left my gun at home. Because I'm trying to go. He blocks me off, so I can't go anywhere. Then he pulls up on the side and points the gun at my daughter. Say something, bitch.
Where were you guys at?
At leaving arrivals.
I know, but where at? Like you're at arrivals.
I'm leaving arrivals from where Spirit is at the end.
Okay.
I'm trying to go to 595 so I can go to 595. I live by Sawgrass.
Did you already go up were you already up the?
No, I couldn't. He wouldn't even let me go. He kept blocking me. So at this point, I'm trying to get off the exit to get the hell away from the man. And then he comes. Look. So he's blocking me off. I'm trying to go. He's slowing down.
So okay. So it's right.
So look, and then before that he came in front of me and blocked me off, so I couldn't go. So when I seen him slow down, I said, "Record it." You see the gun?
So can you pause it and we can zoom in?
Okay. Yeah.
So so you were right there, just exit right behind the rental car center.
Yes,
kind of
I'm
right
trying
there.
to leave. Yeah. Like a 380.
Do you have your ID?
Yeah, I do. Like, people crazy, man.
Was it just over the merging situation over there?
But I didn't even do anything. I let the man go.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not saying you did anything.
No, I know, but that's why my head is fucked up, because I let him go. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know what he's angry for. He must have been waiting for somebody. They must have told him to move, and he must have been mad.
So he got over. He was probably.
All right. So we were coming from.
What lane were you in?
I was in the right lane. He was in the left lane. The car in the right, so the exit was right there. I was trying to get over to go on 595. So the car on this side must have realized the same thing, that that's an exit and it's going around.
Right, it's going to come around.
Yeah, so that car's trying to get over, so I'm trying to get over. So he's back where I can get over. So I put on my signal, he speeds up so I can't get over, so none of us can go. So now I'm like, okay, let me let this man go. He gets in front of me, slows down. So I switch lanes to the middle. He gets in front of me in the middle lane and brakes in front of me. And I almost hit him. So now I'm like, okay, I stop. He gets back over to the right. That's when I told her to record, because I saw him slowing it down. I'm like, he's going to say something or something. So she records and he pulls out the gun and says, say something, bitch.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Can I get yours too, please?
Oh, God. RSL AF6. Record it.